Before the factory hums, the earth speaks first, in golden fields and the quiet art of choosing the perfect fruit. Every melon carries a story, one told by the hand that knows exactly when to let go. Each fruit earns its place, cradled, not thrown, because care at the start defines quality at the end.
Large, 5 kilos. Medium, 3.1. Small, 2.2.
Hold it there. Let's get these melons moving. Morning. Harvest manifest, please. Right here. Looks good. You're clear to proceed. La primera de melones para procesamiento.
Revisando la etiqueta. Listo.
Recibido. Al carrito.
Hacia la puerta de lavado.
En camino.
Ready for the lock.
Pushing through now. Clearing the threshold.
Look steady on the other side.
Confirmed. Proceeding. Batch numbers are in. We're at 18,500. Good. We need to hit 24K by shift end. Right. Let's check the board and head in.
Hairnet and beard cover secure. Good. Next, the frock. Frock on. Perfect. Head to the line, station 3. Next team, step up.
Sorters clear, flow steady. Grader aligned, no jams. Wash pressure optimal, steam venting. Dicer ready, loading now.
$11.2, spot on.
Okay, starting the standardization. Entering the recipe parameters now at to 2.5 zau, chigir wem for the 0.5 liters. Opening the sample valve for the final check. Dispensing sample now. Color looks good, swirling to check. Sipping now, flavor is consistent. Data logged, ready for release. Confirmed, batch released.
Holding tube stable at sterilization temp. Spot checks confirm 135 to 139 degrees Celsius. All clear, flow proceeding to cooling.
Brick stable.
Approaching pallet CS 2024-56. Batch verified, versing out.
Initiating recipe integration, 2% sugar, 0.3% citric acid, natural melon flavor. Vortex forming, integration successful.
Batch 78910 confirmed. No damage detected. Breaker's in. Okay, lift the first pallet.
Lifting now.
Forward, good,
In position.
good. Securing the load. Verifying second pallet, label FHS manifest, marking as loaded. Confirmed, proceed with placement. Copy that, moving in.
Okay, batch is confirmed. Moving to bay 2, row 3.
Copy that, positioning now.
Perfect, it's in place. Next truck is backing in.
Bay 4, loading pallet now.
Here are the papers for bay 4.
Got it. Heading over now. Thanks, I'll get these loaded. All set, just sign here. Looks good, signed. Copy for you, thanks. Appreciate it, safe travels. You too, closing up now. Seal logged, all set. Copy that, thanks.
Viscosity is 45.2 centipoise, within spec.
Placing the sample and counterweight, setting timer for 10 minutes at 4,000 RPM, marking the batch number, cycle complete, inspecting for separation.
Starting with batch 2407 stability test results. Analytical data and sensory scores are good. Micro results are still pending. Okay, everything is logged. Now to check the incubator. Perfect, scanning it in now. Status is updated, ready for shipment.
Bill of lading for Bay 3.
Thanks.
Looks good.
All right, begin loading. On it.
First one coming in, align to the left. Copy, lowering now. Good, next one, Samuel. On my way. Final lock in place, load secure.
All pallets are secure. The final inspection confirms full compliance with export standards.
And this is how modern factories produce premium melon juice from start to finish.